Legs are laid out on the table. I ripped the side to be 42 width, and I cut the end to make it 7 feet, which will make the base smaller so you'll have a nice overhang. Pocket hole jig set up for about 1.5 inches, 2 screws with 2-inch, preferably 2.5 inch, but it'll work. Well, 1 leg down, 2 more to go. Probably do the other end before I do the middle one, which requires a space. So turn the legs upside down. Now I've got the bottom piece at least on the legs, and then what I will do is screw that down, and after that is the casters. All right, casters are now on the table, flipped over, got to put the cross braces on, but so far so good. Your mom is modeling now the cross beam is in place. I'm ready to put the base piece of plywood down. Hey Jake, so this is the partition that I cut using the jigsaw to fit around the bracing, and it actually came out pretty well. I don't have the fancy clamps, but I'm going to use scrap wood and the angle irons there to ensure that it's squared. You can see right now it's squared to the platform. I will clamp that with some 2x4s and then screw it into the support and then flip it over and screw it to the bottom. So the partition is now screwed into both the top as well as the bottom supports and is quite solid. Next is the platform for the table saw has been cut and notched for the 4x4s, but not set at the appropriate level since the top's not been put on and cut. So pocket hole screws to hold in the side panel. It's definitely got to figure out what to do with this other side over here, which of course originally wasn't going to be there like that, but is there now. So this kind of gives you an idea of what it would look like when it's finished. You know, the partition's just sitting in there, it's not screwed in. The only one screwed in is this end here with the pocket holes that you can see, and then I need obviously a divider for the bay right here, but coming along.